Hey boys and girls, here's our math lesson for today. You're going to need a 10 frame. You're going to need some objects. I'm using mini marshmallows, but you can use Cheerios, erasers, toys, whatever you got. And you're going to need 10 and 10 more to put in a cup, okay? Alright, so the first question I have to ask is how many mini marshmallows do I have here? Right, 10. And how do you know it's 10? Because they're in a 10 frame and my 10 frame is full. Correct. Now, what if I do this? How many do I have now? It's still 10, right? Because I didn't add any and I didn't take any away. I just moved them around a little bit, right? Good. So, we use the 10 frame because it keeps our thoughts nice and organized, okay? It's easy to see that they're 10 if they're in a nice little row like this. Okay, now I know it's for sure 10. Okay, we're going to play a game today where it's going to be like a shake and spill. I'm going to shake, I have some more mini marshmallows in here. I'm going to shake them up and spill them on this part of my paper. Now, if they land off the paper, they don't count. They go back in the cup. But if they land on the paper, then I'm going to count and see how many I have. Okay, and we're going to write our answers here and here. Okay? Alright, I'm going to shake, 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 and I'm going to spill. Okay, so look, this one, this one, this one, and this one landed on the outside, so they're going to go back in my cup for later. Now, some of them messed up my 10 frame, so I'm going to have to pull this little guy out of here, make my 10 frame look nice, okay? Then I'm going to say, okay, I know there's 10 here, and I want to count how many more I have. So I'm actually going to put them in, spread out a little bit so they're easier to count. Okay, 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that make? Let's see. Let's count. Remember, wave your magic hand over the 10 frame. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. How did you know that? Right, because we counted 10 and then counted up from there. Good. So what I want you to see here is that when we have 15 here. When we make the number 15, it's made up of two numbers, right? We have the number 1 and a 5 make 15. That 1 stands for one group of 10, and that 5 stands for the 5 extras that we had out here. And when I put my 1 and my 5 together, my marshmallows. When I put my 1 and my 5 together, what do they make? 15. So that one group of 10 and 5 extras makes my number 15. Good. Okay, I'm going to take these off, and we're going to play again. So I leave my 10 frame, and I put my other marshmallows back in here. Shake them up, shake, 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 shake. Now, I only want to spill on this side. I try not to get them in the middle of my 10 frame, so maybe I'm going to put a barrier here. And I spill. Alright, that's what I got. Oh, this guy went all the way up here. These don't count. This one's mostly off, and this one down here is mostly off, so we're going to put him back. Okay? So now we got to count. Remember, I like to line them up to make them look nice so they're easier to count. How many in my 10 frame? 10. How many I have left over? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called on and off the 10 frame. So how many are on? How many are off? Now I want to write that down, okay? I want to write down. How many groups of 10 do I have? 1, right. One group of 10. And how many on the outside do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 4. One group of 10 and 4 extras. If I put those two numbers together, what do I get? 14. Let's count and see if that's right. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, that's really cool. Alright, let's try it again. Take these marshmallows, put them back in here. We're going to shake, 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 shake. Remember, we don't want it to go on our 10 frame, so I'm actually going to block my 10 frame. Remember, shake, 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 shake. Still. Whoa. This guy went all the way up here. 1, 2, 3 didn't make it, so I put them back in. Look, I got a lot on the paper, so I want to make sure those get lined up in order Not making too big of a mess, right? We want to count them easy. Put one in the middle for counting. Okay, are you ready to help me count now? Okay, let's see this. How many groups of 10 do we have? One, right? One group of 10. How many over here do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put the number 7. I have one group of 10, and I have 7 extras, right? If I put that number together, what does it make? 17. Let's count and see if this is 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow, that's super cool. Let's do it one more time. And you can play your own game at home. You don't have to follow along with me. If you want to skip ahead and play your own game, that's fine too. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have this one, so I'm going to cheat a little bit. Oh, look, only 2 made it on there. Okay, so how many groups of 10? There are 10, but it's not how many groups. One group of 10. How many are outside my 10 frame? 2. So, a 1 with 2. Now, you would think that's 3, but there's more than 3, right? Because this is not a 1, it's one group of 10. So, my one group of 10 plus my 2 extras makes the number 12. Let's count and see if that's right. 10, 11, 12. Wow, we learned a really cool trick today, okay? That was really fun. Alright, so your activity for this, you have a few choices. You have 4 choices. You can make a book. It says my group of 10 book, okay? And you're going to have 2 pages of this. There's 2 pages. You're going to cut out strips to make a book. You count and write the number. Okay, count, write the number. Count, write the number. Count, write the number. Count, write the number. Okay? And then you're going to put them all together and staple it in a little book. Okay? Good. The other choice you have is to do this worksheet. This has 10 frames with some on the outside, extras. It says how many groups of 10? Well, there's one group of 10. How many extras? 1. How many all together? So I go 10, 11. Because a 1 and a 1 make 11. Okay, this is another activity you could do. Alright, this one is your last choice for today, okay? If you want to do this one, you're going to count how many cubes on this side, count how many cubes on this side. Circle the set that is less. This is greater than, less than. So if you feel like you want to work on your alligators, you're greater than, less than, this is a good paper for you. If that's too easy or you've already passed that goal, then I want you to work on this one. Tens and extras, okay? This is a good one. Okay? So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus, or not plus, 12 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 and 9, which is less. Less means little. So I'm going to circle the group that has less. Okay, so you have 3 choices today. You have this one, which goes with our marshmallow activity that matches this, or you can make the group of 10 book if you want to do that. Okay, or you can do all of them if that's your choice too. Alright, thank you guys.